It's been a while since I did an unboxing on this channel, and we are going to unbox this magnetic extendable tripod that I got from Five Below. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. Man, they sure do love their tape. They sure love taping up a product so you don't have to worry about stealing it, right? Not that you would steal a tripod from Five Below. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, hopefully there's something in here. All right, here we go. So here's the tripod. And of course I want something that is tech related because I just love tech related stuff. Let's just hide the knife and keep it nice and clean. Little remote that you can use for the shutter. Just open this bad boy up. I think this goes up to 2 feet. Look at that. Pretty cool. This would be nice for traveling. So that's all it comes with is the tripod itself. And this is magnetic because I'm all about the MagSafe now that I got this iPhone 16 Pro. I kind of like how you can take this off and change it so you can actually use other adapters on here if you want to. Let's just see how this extends out. Oh, and I just broke it. So that's a wrap. I'm actually going to be taking this back to Five Below. But yeah, that wasn't planned. I did not plan to break this, but how fucking cheap. Obviously, I didn't do it right, but yeah. So we're going to test it to see if the MagSafe part at least works. But yeah, I'm fucking disappointed on this. So let me stop the video and I will be right back. So this is what it looks like with the MagSafe on it. The MagSafe actually does work. And that's the part that I was most concerned with. But yeah, I would just say, see if I can get this. I would just, honestly, you know what? All right, hold on a second. Don't spend the money. Save your money. Don't buy this product. This thing is absolute. This thing is terrible. You know what? This has got to be. All right. This is the worst product I ever reviewed from Five Below. This magnetic tripod is a real piece of shit. Save your money. Don't buy it. You can find something else on Amazon. I'm sure you're going to pay a little bit more money, but it's going to be worth it. Don't, you know what? Just don't do it. I'm going to get my money back. Hopefully my daughter still has the receipt. This was a complete waste of my time. I was very excited to actually review this piece of junk. It can't even hold my iPhone 16 Pro up because my phone is heavy, right? Even with this tight all the way, you still can feel the weight. And I can't even test it because I had broken one of the legs. So, word of advice, don't do it. I will catch you in the next one.